Are you having issues controlling Chromecast using the Google Home app? You are not alone. This annoying problem has a few easy solutions, and we will show you exactly how to fix it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Here is how to tackle when Chromecast cannot be controlled using the Google Home app. Method 1. Ensure the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When you are having issues controlling Chromecast using the Google Home app, make sure both Chromecast and your smartphone on which you have installed the Google Home app are connected to the same internet connection. A mismatched Wi-Fi connection is one of the most common reasons Chromecast not connecting to your Google Home app. If needed, reconnect the device to choose the correct Wi-Fi. You can also restart the Chromecast device and the smartphone along with the router and see if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Use a single Google account. Multiple Google accounts can cause confusion, especially if your Chromecast is set up with one account and the Google Home is linked to another. To avoid these kinds of account-related issues, ensure you are logged into the same Google account on the Google Home app and during Chromecast setup. Method 3. Check app permissions. Next, make sure that the Google Home app has the proper apps permission in your smartphone settings. Without the proper permissions, the Google Home app may not be able to detect or link to Chromecast. Here is what to do. Go to your phone settings, then select Apps. Next, select Manage Apps or similar settings. Then select Google Home, then select App Permissions. In this section, make sure you have allowed location and nearby devices while using the app. The settings may vary as per your device, so check them accordingly. Method 4. Update devices and apps. Outdated software can prevent the Chromecast and the smartphone from syncing properly. Ensure that both the Google Home app and the Chromecast firmware are up to date. To update the Chromecast device, navigate to the home screen of your Chromecast. Navigate to the settings icon. Click on it to open the All Settings menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select System. Within the System menu, select About. Here, you can find detailed information about your device. Find the System Update or similar option. Click on it to check for available updates. If there is an update available, you will be prompted to download and install it. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. This may take a few minutes and your device may restart during the update. To update the Google Home app on your smartphone, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then check if there is any update available for the Google Home app. Download and install any pending update and open the Google Home app and check. Method 5. Reset Chromecast. If nothing else works, a factory reset can often resolve persistent connectivity issues. This clears out old settings and lets you start fresh with setup. Here is how you should do this. Locate the small physical reset button on the Chromecast device. Press and hold the reset button. The white light should start blinking. Keep holding the button until the light turns amber and starts blinking rapidly. When the light turns solid white, release the button. The Chromecast should now begin the factory resetting process. Now this should take a few minutes to complete. This will erase all data and settings on your device. You will need to set it up again from scratch. Method 6. Contact support. If you have tried all the methods shown here and still can't control Chromecast using Google Home, contact Google Support and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. Your Chromecast should now be successfully connected to Google Home and it should be working as expected. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest fixes. Still stuck or have a tip to share? Drop a comment below. We are always happy to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will catch you in the next one.